Welcome to another episode of LoveTech Live. In this episode, we'll be looking at how to create tables in SQL. SQL is Microsoft's enterprise database with impressive performance. As usual, let's open SQL Studio to run queries and examine our various databases and tables. Let's examine three simple create table commands to create three tables: people, classes, and registration. In SQL Studio, when you hit the execute button, only the selected text will run as a SQL query. So we highlight and execute the first command, creating the people table, and then we highlight and execute the second command, creating the classes table. Note the syntax here. The command create table is followed by the name of your table, followed by a list of the columns within parentheses, comma separated. ID int identity 1, 1 means that every new record added will receive a unique integer ID that auto-increments. Also note how the ID column is designated as the primary key for the people and classes tables. Primary key guarantees the IDs will be unique and speeds up the lookup time for records using this property because SQL indexes the records based on this field. The registrations table looks a bit different. This table is a classic example of an association table where we store associations between records from our database. When a student is signed up for a class, a record will be created in the registrations table. If they ever drop the class, the registration record will be deleted. Note the primary key is a combination of the student ID and class ID, enabling fast lookup of which students are in which classes while guaranteeing that nobody double books a course. The last thing I want to mention is that you have your database and table info in the left-hand Object Explorer. Just make sure to refresh after creating or altering tables or databases.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of LoveTech Live. If this video was helpful, click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Check out the description box of this video or just go to lovetech.io for more plugins and tutorials.